Hi guys, I'm Young, but today I'm not a happy bunny. Serious face. Because I was supposed to have my Mavic Air 2 and happily reviewing away the product. But no, it has not arrived to my door. And I actually thought it might be perhaps because of all this, illness issue that's going on around the world. And yes, I also want to share my apology to the winners of the raffle for Mavic mini filters, because I'm also facing some issue in sending out the deliveries. So serious apologies to the winners. I got my detective sunglasses on and I was gonna find out what exactly happened there, and I was pretty surprised. I might just be very unlucky, but everybody who ordered from DJI Korea would be having the same issue, and I hope that's not the case for any other people around the world. I'm starting to see the drone community actually receiving Mavic Air 2, so I do really hope everybody, including me, actually receive the product ASAP. So just to give you guys what exactly happened is, I first ordered my Mavic Air 2 on 28th of April. So that was the day after the release announcement, and in DJI.com it clearly said that the dispatch will start 7 to 10 days after the purchase has been made. So 10 days later, 8th of May, it seemed like the UPS label has been created for my shipment, and 9th UPS seemed to have picked up my product. Nothing has happened until 13th of May. Where is my Mavic Air 2? On 13th of May, Wednesday this week, it seemed like I was getting a very good news. The flight had departed from Shenzhen and came to Incheon. So usually what happens with DHL, FedEx, I would get the package several hours after the shipment has actually reached Incheon airport. On 13th of May, it actually said I would get it on 13th of May. However, I didn't get it. And I refreshed the status and it seemed like now the scheduled delivery, they don't even know when it was happening. I inquired DJI again and they were just telling me, UPS will process the shipment altogether and get back to you. And this morning I woke up, I was like, okay, let me refresh the page of UPS, and still nothing has been updated. It seemed like my delivery has been just sitting in Incheon, hasn't even gone through the customs. So finally, I decided I'll call UPS Korea. 여보세요? So I asked them, is it because my battery has not yet arrived? He was like, no. The entire shipment has to come in one batch to start the process of customs clearance. And what I was hearing from him, it sounded like this was not the first time this happened. He said DJI often misses few shipments. That's why the shipment can't start, and this has happened before. So please don't complain to me. I was like, okay, that sounds really strange, because I thought my package is considered as like a separate item for UPS, but that was not the case. And a really funny thing about UPS is that in the DJI store, it clearly said DHL is the one that will deliver. Why did DJI.com have DHL item there when they're actually sending it with UPS? I'm not really sure whether a certain shipment company is better than the other, but I can say that this week I've received a product via FedEx. It's a very exciting product and I'll review it next week. It arrived within 2 days. Yay! So please do wait for my reviews on Mavic Air 2, and I'll have some other really exciting new release products coming next week for review. So meanwhile, keep my zen. I'll come back with some other really exciting reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!